The inaugural Round the Island Golf Tournament will tee off this weekend as the Big Bash end-of-the-year celebration for the Niue Golf Club. The committee are preparing the course and have extended an invitation to golf enthusiasts to join in along with members. The Round the Island golf activity will consist of an 18-hole course that will start at the golf course at Funakula. Teams will go around to the villages in Takai style, the objective being to make it around the island, getting to all the makeshift mini golf courses set up especially for this fun game. It is expected that there will be more than 10 teams in the Ambers category, with 4 people per team, and the individuals category is open to club members. The Ambers competition will start at 9 in the morning on Saturday, followed shortly after by the individual competitors at 10:30. A majority of villages will be represented and team registrations will close on Thursday. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. Do join us again for our next news bulletin on Thursday. And don't forget that the Niue High School prize giving will be held at the Niue High School Multi-Purpose Hall tomorrow. Behina hatutulu ata vala tatutupu ne kwa mo maigalate mo FFNE wa ni mke hokwa tukalate mo tufa-tufang heto palipali heto whanau au ngatukulunga kafkahokwa kia hokwipungi. Amna kifoki ke liliu ke FFNE ke tutulu ata vala tatutupu ke afia tuloto. Kia nonofwa, mnuni po atu liliu ke Filivea.